Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can add and customize post-grid block in your website. To display post-grid block, first you have to create post. As you can see, I have already created my post. Now I am navigating to pages, adding a page. Add your page title here, going with the block panel, searching my block, post-grid, click on it. You can add your block title here. These are the options given in our post-grid block title. You can display or hide the block title from here. Title alignment, left, right and center. Font size, you can increase or decrease the font size by just scrolling the scroll bar. Change the color of your title background color. Also add the font weight. Adjust the minimum width. You can see all the changes in the editor. In post layout, you can choose the column and the number of posts you want to display. Like this. You can also display or hide the left border, background color, gradient color. From post title, you can select the post title tag from H1 to H3 and paragraph tag, post title font size, color. You can display or hide the content. Choose the number of words and font size, font color. In post featured image option, you can display your featured image. Featured image border radius. In post meta, you can select your category which you want to show. You can also enable or disable author, date, categories, last modified date, tag. Adjust the font size. Author, date, color. You can choose the number of category per post and its font size, color. You can see all the changes in the editor. Background color. If you want to add any additional CSS class, you can add it here. This is all about post-grid block settings. I hope this video tutorial will help you in customizing post-grid block. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.